Today's lesson and the next lesson on composite functions are extremely important. Once these concepts are clear, the following important and conceptual topics will become much easier to learn. The topics are differentiation of composite functions using chain rule, differentiation of parametric functions, differentiation of implicit function, etc. So, please follow these lessons carefully and make sure you understand basic and composite functions well before moving ahead. A few more examples of functions. Here fx is a function of x as independent variable and fx as dependent variable. Now it can further be simplified by replacing fx with y so that we can easily differentiate or manipulate these expressions. So here we can call y as a function of x or y in terms of x. X is an independent. Another example of a function. Here g of u is in terms of u as independent variable and gu as dependent variable. G of u can be replaced with another variable name as y or z to further simplify the relation so that we can easily differentiate or manipulate it. So here we can call y is a function of u or y is in terms of u as independent variable. The last function of this video is s of t is function of t as independent variable and s of t as dependent variable. Here s of t can further be simplified by naming it as z to help us to manipulate this expression or relation or differentiate it or like to find dz by dt, etc. So here we can call z in terms of t or z is a function of